Looking at this Baotian City Engine, the one I picked up. Yeah, I need to put some notes on them. Anyway, I found this mark here. So I don't know, they've been scratching it or something. So I'm gonna replace this one. I got a spare one from another one I can use. Yeah, I need to hold it with my hand. I got this spare clutch from a Vento. You can find it further back in the videos. And I think this will fit. I think it's the same. Gonna use that. This is the Vento. And this is the one with the damage here. So I'm gonna... Yeah. I think it fits. KT or KJ. It's a bit same diameter, but bigger bulb on that one. So for my own note, this doesn't look like it's been cleaned, so you might want to do that before you bring it into service. It's gonna clean it a bit, but guess you need to grease it inside here, the bearings.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Why did you park here?
Because that sign says fine for parking.